The listing neighborhood data feature is a useful tool for comparing your listing's pricing and occupancy to the general pricing and occupancy trends of the listings in the hyperlocal area or in the neighborhood. Starting at the top right, you can choose to filter the information shown here by bedroom category. Simply move the markers to the bedroom count you wish to view, or move both of the markers to one number to select one bedroom type, and then click Apply. Then the graphs are going to refresh based on what's selected in the filter. The future prices chart shows you the recommended prices from your PriceLabs calendar compared to the current prices of your listing on your PMS, together with the range of the rates for the categories of the listing in your area for the next year. Your recommended prices are the black solid line. The last prices we saw on your PMS calendar are the gray dotted line. The range of daily rates for the other listings in the area are shown in the shaded portion of the graph, with the 25th, 50th, 70th, and 90th percentile rates detailed for each date as you hover your mouse over the chart. If you make a change to your minimum, base, or maximum price on PriceLabs, but have not synced those changes to your PMS yet, you will be able to easily view the difference between your new recommended prices and the last synced prices by comparing the difference between the dotted line and the black line on the future prices chart. If your listing has been on PriceLabs for 60 days or fewer, you can also click the three dots at the top right corner to add your rates before syncing PriceLabs. This is helpful if you want to reference any previous strategies or the pricing that you had in place for holidays or special events. The future occupancy chart shows you the average occupancy in your area for each date over the next year in red, overlaid with any existing blocked or booked dates for your listing in gray. These two checkboxes allow you to include last year data and pickup. When you put a check on the last year data, you will be getting two more lines, which are last year today and last year final. Last year today shows the current market occupancy last year on the very same day. With this data, you can better evaluate whether bookings are coming in slower, faster, or just at the same pace as last year. Last year final basically shows you the final occupancy of the past year. When you put a check on the second checkbox, you will get another line which will show you the pickup. This illustrates how many bookings have come in the market in the last 7 days. The minimum stay setting chart is pretty straightforward. This shows you your listing's current minimum night setting in the next year. The overview chart gives you the exact number of listings by number of bedrooms and shows you the average, low, middle, and high prices for bookings made in the past 30 days. By clicking on this button, the map will show up. This map shows you the approximate location for the listings in your neighborhood, along with the average daily rates for the next 60 days. You can zoom in to see more details on the listing's location and hover over any bubble to see the average rate and other details about this property like the listing name, bedroom count, and the minimum night setting. The color of each dot is determined by the listing's average rate. Next, the Compare Competitor calendar allows you to compare your listing with up to 10 specific listings in your neighborhood. You can do that by clicking on the Pick Listing button first, and you will be able to select up to 10 listings from this drop-down. After you have selected the listing, click on Get Calendar to see your competitors' rates. As you can see, your listing's prices are shown in bold, unavailable dates are grayed out, and clicking on the listing name in the table will take you to the listing's booking page. This last chart, hotel data, shows your prices compared to the closest hotels in your area.